Hi guys, look what I got on Amazon. So let me tell you a little bit of story. I love coffee, but once I visit Turkey, I was like, wow, I love their coffee. And I just couldn't stop thinking about it. So I got this one to cook it exactly like in Turkey or some really fashion restaurants. It's very easy to cook as it appears, not that hard. You just open it. Mm, here's such a little thing. You put coffee inside. Here's the water. Yeah, you put it back. Inside here is this thing, which when your water boils, it goes through coffee and goes up here for the reason of pressure, and you just have here your cooked and ready coffee, and which smell fantastic and taste same way. Yeah, and I'm gonna cook it with this coffee. I really like it. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It's medium roast, it's classic, so let's go and cook it together. So let's start. I put 2 spoons of coffee inside. And also you can add sugar if you want to make it sweet, or you can do it without sugar like espresso. Put it on fire and just wait. Look, it's ready. So you just pour it in your cup and enjoy your tasty coffee that you just cooked. Don't forget to follow me